Hello viewers, today you are going to learn how to change W4 on ADP. So let's get started and watch the video till the end. First log into your ADP portal, enter your username and password and ensure you have access to the pay or tax section. Then go to the Tax Withholding section. For this, navigate to Myself. Here you will see an option Pay. Click on it and in its menu, you will see Tax Withholdings. Click on it. If you do not see it, your employer may need to enable this option. You can also update your W4 information, adjust your filing status, dependents, and extra withholdings amount as needed. Then review IRS guidelines for accuracy before submitting. Once done, you can save and confirm changes. Click Save or Submit to update your W4 form. Then verify with HR or Payroll. You can contact your HR or Payroll department to confirm the update was processed successfully. And that's all. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.